A shape-based background can make a simple product poster feel much more creative without distracting from the product itself. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Choose a base background color, then open the Elements panel and search for circles, rectangles, waves, blobs, and abstract geometric shapes. Add several larger shapes across the background and position them at different sizes to create a custom visual foundation. Adjust their colors and transparency so they complement one another and leave clear space for the main content. Upload your product image and position it above the background layers so it becomes the focal point. Add a bold headline, a short product description, pricing, and a